Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in for today's video. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We talk a lot about beauty and fashion and makeup, so if any of that interests you, definitely stick around. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thanks for coming on back. I do appreciate the support, not only on here, but across all of my social media platforms. So don't forget to check me out on my blog, on Instagram, comment anything you want to chat about down below. And yeah, let's just chat, let's just talk. So today, let's go ahead and get on into the video. I recently went to Gin Beauty out in New York. It's hosted by Ipsy. I actually got tickets to go to the Content Creators Day as well, so that was a really unique experience. That's a whole other conversation as to how I got those tickets, but I got them. This is going to go up after I went, so hopefully I had a good time. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like a what's in my bag, what I'm packing. This is going to be focused mainly on clothes. I can talk about like some of the skincare, like technology stuff I'm taking with me. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, and I can do like a travel video and show you guys what I typically pack. So today we're just doing fashion. There's also some like outside happening, so if you hear that, I'm sorry, there's really nothing I can do about it, but just in case you hear any noises. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on in. I think it's more fall in New York than it is here in Philly, so I'm definitely going to bring a sweater to go with all this. I've got a black long sweater that'll go with all this stuff. So I'm just going to show you shoes, pants, and tops that I'm taking with me. Some of the things I'll be doing, I'll be going to the convention 2 out of the 3 days. One of the days I'm not going to go. I've also just got like a half a day to myself, and then I'm going to go see my grandmother and my aunt. So I'll talk you through like what I plan on wearing when in terms of the tops, and then just the pants and the shoes I have are pretty versatile, so I could wear it with any of this stuff. First top, it's a sweater by Madewell. I think I've worn this before in one of my videos. I'm not going to do any cutaways or anything. I'm just going to show you guys the pieces. It's a little bit, I think it'll be good for the weather. It should be like the 50s and 60s. I think one day it's gonna be closer to 80, but it's a bit more on the cropped side. So it's not super long. This I'm gonna wear the day when I'm going to the convention where I'm not meeting with any brands. So as a part of the content creator, like Ipsy Open Studio Network thing that they have, they do set you up to meet with certain brands. Like if it's a good match, if you're interested, they're interested. So on the day where I'm not meeting with the brand, and we know that ahead of time, I'll wear this sweater. And it'll be cute for like photos and stuff. So I'll be wearing this. On a day where I do have to meet with one of the brands, I'm gonna wear this flowy, hold it up, this flowy blouse from H&M. It's really pretty. It's got like nice flouncy sleeves. I've had this for a while. I even wear this to work. I've got a pair of tan flats that I can pair both of these items with, and it just kind of dresses it up a little bit. So that is this item. I need to pick another shirt. I haven't decided yet, but on the day that I go see my grandmother, I'll probably wear this. It's a slouchy dolman sweater. That's just nice, super casual. It still looks pretty put together though. It's got like the cropped sleeve, and then it's got like the detailing on it. So this is the other top that I'm gonna wear. I think there's another day I'm gonna be there. I haven't really decided. I mean, this gray cropped sweatshirt might even work. I'm not necessarily trying to look super done up, but I will be taking a lot of photos for Instagram. So I just want to make sure the pieces that I have that I still look nice in. So might not wear the sweatshirt. I don't know. I really like it. It's really comfortable, but we shall see. So at some point, check out my Instagram. I will be posting a ton of photos from my trip, so you'll see that fourth top there. All right, so for pants, it's gonna be a really quick video. For pants, I'm all about keeping it like super simple. These two pairs of pants are both from Old Navy. They're both high-waisted. They're both inside out. Hold on. So yeah, they're both high-waisted. They both are like done up with buttons instead of a traditional zipper. This black pair, I've gotten used to it. I'm not usually a fan of ripped jeans. It's got like a nice little rip right here. And then the blue pair that I have, no rips or anything. They've just got a lighter wash in the middle of the leg. So these are the two pairs of pants. No dresses, no skirts. These are pretty versatile. I don't like taking a whole bunch of stuff with me. I'm also gonna have to take gym stuff. I've also got to pack gym stuff, so I'll take 2 pairs of like running leggings and 2 tops and a sports bra. So I'll pack that with me. I've also got to take my camera. I've got to take makeup and skincare. So it's only a 4-day trip, but I actually got to take a lot of stuff with me, which brings me to shoes. I don't want to take a ton of pair of shoes. So I think I think for this trip, I'm only going to take 2 pairs of shoes. This is a pair of Cole Haan flats. They're just like a nice pink color. They do kind of hurt after a while, so I am going to wear them both days of the convention just because they look nice. I do have black flats, but I think the pink will be a better pop of color. And then I've got a pair of Nike trainers. So these same pajamas go with everything. So I'm definitely taking these with me. I was thinking about taking my white Converses, but I don't want them to get dirty. I don't need to be that cool kid with white shoes on. So I think I'm going to take these instead. And those are going to be my shoes. And then for a purse, I'm probably going to take my backpack. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take my backpack because it zips, so I don't have to worry about anything too much. If I put something like on my hip, that's gonna be annoying. So I gotta think about what purse I'm gonna take. But other than that, that's gonna be everything. So it's more stuff than I would like to pack with me, but I'm trying to be really smart about like the versatility of everything. These sneakers I can wear to the gym, so I don't have to pack my gym sneakers. So I think it'll be good. I'll post some pictures on Instagram for you guys. So yeah, I think that's going to be the video. It wasn't necessarily going to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys what I was going to take on my trip. All right, so that is the video, you guys. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. The intention was not to try on any of this stuff, but I do outfits of the day on my Instagram stories, and then I also post outfits on my feed. So you'll definitely see all this at some point, especially when I post photos of my trip, you'll see my outfits. So that is it, you guys. Take care and have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.